Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's an update video. You guys haven't watched my TikTok yet. You guys probably don't know what happened to the car, but right now we are thinking my timing chain guide broke. So we were taking it to the mechanic, and we're gonna take this chance to just give the car goodies. We got the front mount intercooler, and I'll put that in the description so you guys know which one I have, and let the build start. Let's go. Smartest thing, I'm driving the car like this right now, but it's maybe less than a 10-minute drive, and I don't know if you guys can probably hear it in the background. Yeah, the engine's knocking. The plan is to do the timing chain guide, do the oil pan gasket, do the rod bearings, and a little surprise at how I want you guys to watch. If everything goes right, this might be the build series for this car to go to Impact. Just gotta, see where we're at financially, if we could do it, if we could afford to make this build happen, and if we can, then guys, straddle in, because it's gonna be a ride. It's gonna be a nice ride. But yeah, now we have my brother behind me. He's driving an Acura MDX. Yeah, this happened. I went to a car meet in Long Island. So Alex goes, run it with the M2. Okay. So yeah, I'm like, yeah, let's get it. You know what I mean? I want to see where it's at. So all day, not really all day, but I had two prior runs earlier in the day, but just test runs by myself, and the car was good. Car was reacting good. Car was pushing how it should. Nothing. So I was like, let me test it against the M2. That would be nice to know. I got walked. If you guys haven't seen the TikTok, I got demolished. Oh God, please no. But I'm yo, why? What's going on? It shouldn't be this bad. If it was going to be bad, I actually thought I was gonna come out on top. Whatever. I get next to the M2. The guy tells me he sees a bunch of white smoke. I'm thinking turbo, and we stop the car. We want to check, and shit is just going down south. So we turn the car off. We check. We really don't see nothing, but we're like, okay, let's turn it back on. Car doesn't even want to crank over. It goes good. I was like, Lord Jesus Christ, what are we gonna do now? Hey guys, car is not cranking over, not even in the slightest, not even a little bit, not even a lot. It's just good. Me and Alex look at each other like, oh my God, wow. Yo, we're an hour and a half away, and now we're stuck. So we're like, okay, let's check the battery. And I'm like, it can't be the battery. Everything's turning on great. Nothing electronically is happening where it's hinting towards the battery. Alex gets in the driver's seat. I'm checking around, and supposedly when he had Smurfy, that happened to him where I didn't want to crank over. So there's this trick. I don't know what he did, but he double initiated to some asshole on the road. Doubly initiated the ignition, and it turned on. As soon as it turned on, he got out the driver's seat. We left. I'm hearing the knocking, but cruising. I'm like, we have to get home. Long story short, we get home. I send the video to my mechanic. He's like, okay, I can't take it in this week. So this happened last week. He couldn't take it in last week, so he wanted to take it in today. So it's Monday. We're taking it in, and I don't know when I'll see this car again. But in BMW fashion now, we gotta make sure we do things right. So if engine's healthy, if everything's good to go, if this could come back to life and come back to life stronger, then we will. And we will go to Impact. And I want to see how far we can take the F36 chassis on the N55. Not the 440, not a B58, but the N55. So yeah, that's where we're at right now. Intercooler, I got it from Amazon, funny enough. And if we do go as far as I want to, I'll probably have to end up getting another intercooler, because we're going to be pushing a little bit too much horsepower for the one I got from Amazon, but we'll see. It looks good. I checked the welds out already. I'll show you guys, but I checked the welds out. The welds look good. It's a little hefty, but I was looking online. I saw that most intercoolers are hefty, so hopefully that doesn't become an issue. It's good. It's black all around. It's kind of a bummer, because I kind of wanted to see the silver in the front, but yeah, that's that. I got a CTS turbo inlet coming in, and things should just be starting to roll in. As long as my mechanic gives me the thumbs up on that, yeah, this N55, this engine is worth saving and worth not even worth saving, but worth upgrading and worth, you know, doing things to it, then yeah, this car's getting rod bearings, this car's getting too much stuff. And this is the first video that, you know, of the build series, and I hope you guys tune in. It should be fun. I'm excited. I'll check back in with you guys at the mechanic. Yeah, the backfires sound like the car's not having a good time, but it's doing it way too much. It just sounds like it's like off of timing, doesn't know what it's doing, but you know, fuck it.
2 hours later.
A quick little update, mechanic couldn't take it in, they're too busy, so they're gonna let me know when to take it. So yeah, I had to drive it back home. She's not happy. I swore she shot flames and this car is not tuned for flames, so yeah, that was surprising on the highway. Let me show you guys the intercooler. And I'll put it in the description below. That way you guys know which one it is. But it looks pretty good. The welds look pretty good. I'm gonna try to take it out one-handed. Actually, all right, that's better. Okay. Yeah, because doing this with just one hand was not gonna be fun. Okay. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So this is the intercooler I got. And I'll show you guys the comparison compared to what the stock one looks like. But it looks pretty good. Hey guys, this is the intercooler. The welds look pretty good from what I was inspecting. And it looks like the fitment's gonna be pretty fine, so. Pretty good all over. It's kind of messy down here on the tabs, but can't argue for the price. But yeah, they look pretty good. They look pretty good. Like I was saying, they couldn't take it in today, but me and mechanic were talking, and the little surprise that half this car is a go. So we're gonna try to get that all ordered in. So when he does tell me to come in, hopefully all the parts are here, and you know we can have this. But since it's been snowing in California now, whatever's wrong with the world, things are delayed. So let's see if we get everything.
Y'all gon' make me lose my mind up in here.
That's where we stand right now with the car. I know you guys heard that clip. The car does not sound good. Hurts my heart every time I have to turn her on, every time I have to move her. Hopefully the next time I move her, it will be the final time until she goes to the mechanic. Pact Build. If everything goes right, then I should be at Pact. And I'm excited for that. I went to Race Motive with my boy Alex. Yeah, you guys know Alex. Of course you guys know Alex. And that was so fun being a passenger, but I don't want to be a passenger no more. I want to drive. I want to create the F36 sleeper build. Hashtag F36 sleeper. But yeah, that's where we stand. The car was good. Car was fine, but you know, things break. And if it is the timing chain guide, then that probably did another few things to the car, and probably driving it probably hasn't been helpful. But I mean, now the car's gonna get rod bearings. Car's gonna get the timing chain guide, you know, the valve cover gasket, oil pan, since we're already down there. Another few goodies that I'll keep to myself and I'll reveal once they get in. But yeah, so the front my intercooler is from G+, and it doesn't look bad at all. And I got the CTS turbo inlet coming in, but since, like I said, it's snowing, it's supposed to come in today, and it still hasn't left California, so I don't know. I don't know if I told you guys, I got 35% tints on the front, and she looks menacing. Kind of gives her more of that Grand Coupe look. I don't know if you guys see it. I think there's 172 days till Pact. Let's get it done, boys. Guys, that's just it. A little bit of an update video for you guys. I hope you guys are enjoying the content, enjoying what we're doing. And we're gonna keep doing it. We're gonna keep pushing. 170 days till Pact, and we're gonna be there. We wanna see how good we can get her to be. But right now, she's a little sick. We gotta take her to the medic. Ending it on that note, hope you guys are liking the video. Yeah, I'm country now. Hope you guys are liking the videos. Hope you guys just keep tuning in. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Boom!